Okay. Now I'm videotaping this, not that this is going to show up on the presentation. I wish it would. Fuck, where'd it go? Oh.
Oh my god, bastard. Just talking.
Like it knows. It's like it fucking knows. Okay, oh.
Shit, let's do it now. Let me just do it.
Okay.
What the hell?
It's just way on the other end of the lagoon.
Is it stuck in there or something?
What? The coot?
No, a little switchblade.
So the switchblade isn't the coot.
That's the coot.
So what's the name of the damn switchblade? What? You know, if it comes over here, I can actually get this on the fucking YouTube. Maybe if I got my camera on record right now, maybe if he comes a little closer and he dives right next to us, I can actually catch it and put it on YouTube.
So that's how naturalists do whatever they do.
Okay, I need to do this within like the next 10 minutes, or I can't put this onto YouTube. Because I'm really bitchy about the 10-minute rule. Ooh, I think I see it. This dumb thing won't let me zoom in. So I have to go closer. This is so chaotic. But it's so cool though. Oh, come on. Oh, freaking awesome.